Hey guys, this is going to be an updated video on how to deposit funds into your Cash App without a debit card. And what I'm going to focus on in this video is how to deposit paper money, because this is an option that we now have in the Cash App. If we go down to the bottom left-hand corner and click on the banking tab, and in the banking menu, we scroll down until we find where it says paper money deposit at a nearby location. And when you allow Cash App to have access to the location of your device, it's going to give you deposit locations that are in your general vicinity, and it's just going to depend on where you live. Those deposit locations such as 7-Elevens, Walgreens, potentially Walmarts, Dollar Generals. There's a long list of different places where you can do these deposits at, but click on a location that you want to make your deposit. Let's say we're going to do this Walgreens. So then it would give you the address of the place that you clicked on, and you can get directions to the place that you had selected. And then you're going to want to generate a barcode for the cashier to scan for your deposit. So I'm going to click on Show Barcode, and you're going to ask the cashier to scan the barcode off of your phone. There is a $1 fee per transaction, limited to one transaction per barcode, and a $5 minimum to deposit. And then your other limits are you can deposit up to $500 per transaction. There is a $1,000 limit in a 7-day window and a $4,000 limit every 30 days that you can deposit with paper money using this option in Cash App. And then when you're done with the deposit, you can click Done at the bottom. And that's how you can go about depositing paper money into your Cash App account through a deposit location. I hope this video is helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.